Hi everyone, this is John from Monroe Systems for Business. I'm here to show you how to change the M33X ribbon in your Monroe printing calculator to the P65M ribbon. So here I have the Monroe Classic X in front of me. First step that you want to do is definitely advance the paper roll up until it's above the cutoff knife. Make sure you have everything taken off of there. Makes this much easier once you open up the calculator. Next is you definitely want to turn off your calculator and unplug it, just in case. Safety first. There's these two little dimples on this side of the heavy-duty model. You're going to just press it up, put that to the side. I'm going to take your paper and you're going to slowly inch it down, just like that. Lay it right there. Next, you're going to take your Monroe M33X, which is already pre-installed on your calculator. You're going to just pull that out. You'll hear it unclick, and then you're just going to gingerly take the ribbon out. Next, you're going to unbox your P65M ribbon. Make sure the black ink is on top, facing toward you, and the dimples are on the bottom. So you're going to do one at a time here. You're going to press this one in. You're going to hear it click. Then you're going to go around the metal piece here, around this metal clip. And you're going to slowly unravel the ribbon as you go until you get to the other end. And then you're just going to press down, and you'll hear it click as well. Next thing you want to do is just make sure it's completely taut all the way around. So that's how you just spin the wheels until it is. Once that's done, you take the paper, you go over top of the ribbon, back through where it goes. Make sure it's pretty tight. Now you can put the cover back on, plug your machine back in, and you should be ready to go. Just to show that the Monroe printing calculators have the same process for both the heavy duties and the medium duties, here I have the 2020 Plus X medium duty printing calculator. Same thing, you would just push the cover off, just not as big. You can see the M33X ribbon is inside, and it's the same exact process. Same exact printer is in all of our Monroe calculators. Thank you everyone for checking out our video today. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and please follow up in the comments below if there's any other questions or concerns that you do have. Thanks everyone.